In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload high quality videos to Instagram. So if you're here because you've noticed that every time that you upload an Instagram reel or an Instagram story, your video loses some of its quality, the video gets compressed, and it simply doesn't look as good on Instagram as it did on your phone, I'm going to show you how you can fix that, how you can still upload videos to Instagram without losing your 4K or full HD quality. Because although it's super annoying that Instagram applies automatic compression to the videos that you upload, the good news is there is a way to change that. There is a setting that we can enable that will allow you to upload those high quality videos to Instagram and for them to still look as high quality on Instagram as they did on your mobile phone, your camera, or your computer. Now, don't ask me why Instagram doesn't just turn this setting on for every account. I don't know, but today I'm going to show you how you can enable the setting on your account so that you never lose quality again when you post to Instagram. A little side note before we dive in, if you have multiple Instagram accounts like I do, I have a personal one and then an agency one, you have to enable this setting for each and every individual account. Since the setting is enabled on the account, it's not just that you turn it on and then every time you use the app, regardless of the account, it will be turned on. You really have to enable it for each and every account that you post from. Now let's head over to Instagram. So I am on my Instagram profile, and what you want to do is you want to click those three little lines at the top right corner, and then we're going to click on settings. Then in your settings, go down to where it says account, and when you click on that, you want to scroll down to data usage. And over here, you can see for me, it's already turned on. You have two options, either to use less mobile data, we're not going to do anything with that, or it says upload at highest quality. And this setting allows you to upload the highest quality videos, even if uploading takes longer. And when this is turned off, Instagram will automatically adjust upload quality to fit your network conditions, which is why sometimes when you upload, you see that you lose a lot of quality on your video. So what you want to do is you want to simply turn that on. So I've just toggled it to show you where it is. And then from now on, when you upload videos to Instagram, they will be high quality. They will have the same quality as they do on your phone, your computer, or your camera. And that's all there is to it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. That really helps us out. And in the meantime, make sure to check out some of our other videos over here.